EJ Cornflake.
Leukemia is a type of cancer. It is cancer of the blood cells in the bone marrow. But how does it all happen? What happens to the body when it has leukemia? To find out, we must travel into the body itself, entering the micro world of the cells. The body performs thousands of different processes. These processes are carried out and controlled by workers called cells. One of the most important cell groups are the blood cells. These blood cells are made in the bone marrow, which is where I is. The body needs to make billions of blood cells a day. Because of this, the bone marrow has to operate quickly and efficiently. It makes white blood cells, the body's doctors, red blood cells, the oxygen carriers, and platelets, which are like internal plasters. All the different blood cells are grown from stem cells. The cells then mature in the marrow and are released into the bloodstream to take their part in the running of the body. Sometimes a defective blood cell is created. The cell cannot perform its vital role efficiently. Usually a sign would tell the cell to destroy itself. However, this cell ignores the body's instructions and begins a process called mitosis. It divides itself into two, making an exact copy. Each new cell does the same, rapidly reproducing the same defective cell. These defective cells are called cancer cells. The bone marrow becomes filled with the cancerous cells. It thinks that it has created enough blood cells and the production of new blood cells is halted. The cancerous cells enter into the bloodstream and spread through the body. If a virus or harmful bacteria enters the body, the white blood cells are sent to fight the foreign cells before they can reproduce. But the cancerous white blood cells are immature and do not have the correct information on how to combat these infections. The foreign cells divide and spread throughout the body, making the body sick. Cancer can be treated with chemotherapy. Chemotherapy, treated with 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 chemotherapy. This is when a medicine called the antineoplastic drug is introduced into the bloodstream. This drug is toxic to rapidly producing cells like the cancer cells. It latches onto the cancer cells and kills them. The bone marrow then receives a signal to make new blood cells. White blood cells can then mature and combat any infections the body may have, returning it to a fully functional